In this quick video, I show you how to delete a journal entry in Zoho Books. Perfect for when you've made an error or need to remove an outdated record. Start by heading to the Accountant module from the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, select Manual Journals to view all your existing journal entries. Now, locate the specific journal entry you want to remove. Double check the details carefully. Once deleted, it's gone for good. Open that entry, then click on the More icon at the top of the page, which usually appears as 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes, Delete to finalize your action. And that's it. The journal entry is permanently removed from your records. Just remember, this action can't be undone, so always verify before deleting. That's how simple it is to delete a journal entry in Zoho Books. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and check out our other tutorials for more Zoho tips.